I learned this trick from a famous pastry chef. Take puff pastry. Using the oven rack, cut a large circle out of the dough. Cut the remaining dough. Prick the dough with a fork. Brush with water. Sprinkle with sugar and bake for 20 minutes. Secure the pastry base with the cake ring. Pour the whipping cream into the bowl. Mix the whipping cream a little. Add powdered sugar and mix again. Add yogurt and mix the cream. Put an even layer of cream into the pan. Mash the strawberries with the oven rack. Put the strawberries into the saucepan. Add sugar and boil the jam. Pour in starch diluted in water and mix well. Spread the cream with cooled strawberry jam. Add the remaining cream. Level the cream layer with a spatula. Spread with jam and put in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Put instant coffee and sugar into the glass. Pour in boiled water and mix until foamy. Add boiled water. Decorate with whipped cream. Sprinkle with cocoa. Cut the puff pastry into equal triangles. Brush the dough with water. Sprinkle with sugar and bake for 20 minutes. Cover the cake with pastry triangles. Crumble the remaining dough. Sprinkle the edges of the cake with pastry crumbs. It is a simple recipe, not very expensive and very tasty. Besides the fact that it is an attractive dessert, the preparation does not require special culinary skills.